Hello and welcome to Sam's Veggie Kitchen. Today I'm going to make one of my son's favorites, which is pasta with spinach and red sauce. So let's look at the ingredients needed for the pasta. 2 cloves of garlic, roughly minced, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of roughly chopped spinach, about 250 grams of penne pasta or pasta of your choice, marinara sauce or red sauce about 1/3 cup, and half a cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And I have water, which is going to be used per requirement, and some grated cheese. And today I'm using Kerrygold's Dubliners hard ripened cheese. So turn the Instant Pot to saute mode and wait for it to get hot. And once it's on, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and to it I'm going to add some garlic, and next goes the spinach, and salt, the red sauce, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. Next I'm going to add the milk, and add the pasta. I'm going to add some water just to cover the pasta. I think this looks good. Maybe a little more. Yeah, this is good enough. And I'm going to cancel the saute mode. So once the ingredients are added, close the lid and make sure the valve is on the sealing position, and turn on the manual mode and cook it for 5 minutes. So the pasta is done cooking. At the end of 5 minutes, we are going to do a quick release of pressure. For this, turn the valve to venting and be very careful when doing this. Make sure you're facing away and you don't burn your hands or face. Let's open the Instant Pot to see the pasta. So, looks like this is cooked perfectly, and I'm going to serve it in a bowl and garnish it with some cheese. It's got the perfect consistency and the pasta is cooked really well. I'm going to add some cheese on top. So I'm going to add some cheese. And the pasta is ready to dig in.